I actually started at UC Merced. It's a small college down in the Central Valley. I was fortunate enough to get accepted to the University of Nevada, Las Vegas for my dental education. I graduated in the summer of 2015, and with all of the due process of moving back from Nevada to California and getting all my paperwork in a line, I started working with Western Dental. When you graduate dental school, you're kind of left in this open world of dentistry. You have a working knowledge of it, but you don't know the ins and outs of it as much as you probably would like to know. And an organization like Western Dental allowed me to work with a lot of different doctors, get a lot of experience, learn a lot of things from them, not only from the clinical side, which is something I'm always going to be looking forward to learning to, but also more of the paperwork side, the notes side, the legal side. So all of that stuff, I didn't think I would have gotten all of that knowledge right away if I started it by myself. I felt it would be better for my growth if I learned from people who already were there before. I started at a few different offices, just kind of rotating around, getting my feet wet. About 6 months in, I finally got kind of slowed down into a couple offices, San Mateo down the road, and then Redwood City here. So for the past about year and a half, almost 2 years now, I've been here full time, and I enjoy it. The staff, they are awesome, front and back staff. You're with these people 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, every year. So it's always nice to get along with the people that you work with. Also, being able to see when an oral surgeon comes in, or a periodontist comes in, or an endodontist comes in, being able to learn from them their tricks of the trade, tips that I would have never picked up on my own. Coming from dental school, like I said, you have general working knowledge of how things work, but experience is sometimes the best teacher. The thing about Western Dental is it's like the profession in general. It's a demanding job like anything in dentistry, but you learn a lot. You get a ton of experience in a very short time frame. So for me, for example, I wanted to learn as much as I can, and I still do, but I wanted to learn and just develop my skills as quickly as I could to be better. And Western offers that because you always will have a steady stream of patients to be seen. If you get caught up or tangled up in something, you have backup. You have another doctor that's usually there with you on any given day. You have a specialist, even if you get stuck on, for example, an extraction that you thought you could handle, and an oral surgeon's there to kind of guide you along the way. It's a huge safety net. You have that support. For me, it's also the mentorship aspect. I have not met a doctor who wasn't approachable enough to ask them a question or just pick their brain a little bit. So that's something that you may not be able to find right away in a private setting, especially if you're starting your own or buying out one.